Hey, good morning, everybody. Ces Guerra here for you YouTubers and you park benchers. I am sitting here with Chuck Coons of Loco Mosquitoes, one of my new friends and business partners and referral partners that I've met through the Better Homes and Gardens Business Network. Chuck, welcome to the show.
Welcome, thank you for having me.
Yeah, and you might see some activity in the house. We're at the new house here, and one of the things that Laura and I wanted to do when we bought the new house was to put in a mosquito system in the outdoor courtyard. And Chuck and Jennifer with Loco Mosquitoes was the perfect fit for us. So Chuck, tell us a little bit about Loco Mosquito. How did you come up, Crazy Mosquito? How did you come up with that name?
Yeah, absolutely. So I left corporate America. I took the leap of faith to become my own business owner. And my wife and I wanted to get into the mosquito business because we actually purchased a system for our own home and realized these things work so well that we wanted to share our experience and our passion about these systems. And when I was putting my business plan together, I wanted to come up with a name that was very creative, that people could remember and fully understand. And so I think we all agree mosquitoes are loco, they're very crazy. But the long story short, my last name is Coon, like raccoon, so C-O. And then my wife's last name is Lopez, L-O. And so when we were dating many years, all of our friends called us the Locos, you know, the play on the Bennifer, the Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck
That's
story.
Yeah, that's
and
really
so
cool.
I did that. I just put Loco in front of Mosquito, and it is stuck, and people absolutely love it. And
Yeah.
so, you know, if you kind of look at our, you know, there's our logo and everything, you know, Loco Mosquito.
And we'll tag the website and put your logo up on the interview on the YouTube channel and on the Park Bench site as well. So I was really impressed when you introduced yourself and the business about the ingredients, about the system and the technology. Tell the folks what they will expect when you come onto their home site and evaluate the need for a mosquito system.
Yeah, absolutely. So the first thing that we do is we're going to consult with you about the property and the issue of mosquitoes. Where are they coming from, and what kind of strategy we can put into place to offer that free and comfortable backyard or property. And so the first thing we always do is we like to walk the property. We like to get down and dirty. We're gonna go crawl through your landscaping. We're gonna peek in,
Go underneath the house if necessary.
we will go underneath houses. We're looking for standing water, anything that's gonna create some sort of breeding ground for the mosquitoes. And so from there, we can develop these strategies and put them into place. And a lot of times it's a matter of making sure your French drains and the standing water is taken care of, and then we can offer our solution like an automated misting system. And what is unbelievable about these automated misting systems is that it is designed to go off daily. So we are providing daily mosquito control, and I'm going to take a step back, not just mosquito control, but the solution that we are misting through these systems will also control roaches, flies, gnats, a lot of these nuisance insects that are prone to bother you in your yard and your property.
I like the proprietary name of the ingredient that y'all have, Dynamite.
So Dynamite is actually our system manufacturer. So they make the systems for us.
Okay, all right.
And we have partnered with Dynamite many years ago, and they're actually a local manufacturing company, and so it makes it very easy to get our parts, get our supplies, what we need to come and install our system for you.
All right.
And technology is a beautiful thing because it progresses and changes year over year. And right now our systems are app-based, so you're going to have full control and connectivity through your smartphone.
I love my app. I love it.
It's great
Yeah.
because it will tell you when the system's getting low. It'll tell you, hey, hey, we're at 40%. Make sure we're coming out to get that system serviced and refilled. Which we're like a pool company in that sense, where we have a reoccurring schedule because we want to make sure we come service that system before it's empty. Because once it's empty, those mosquitoes are going to come back pretty quick. So we want to catch it before it's empty.
Right.
That way we always provide that wonderful customer service from us.
Right. I like the installation went so easy too, Chuck. You guys came in the morning and gave me a time range that you thought you'd be done, and you were done probably in half the time. Generally, what are you looking at installation time?
Yeah, so installation times typically will run us about 3 to 4 hours. And so with an average installation, what we're doing is we're physically installing our system. We put our system tank onto a AC pad, so it's off the ground on a nice level, stable platform. And then from there, we're going to route our tubing, which our tubing then has our mist nozzles. So our mist nozzles we're going to mount around your outermost perimeter, which is your typically your fence line perimeter. Mm-hmm. And then we do a secondary perimeter, which is going to be like your patio area and your front door area. And so when our systems go off, it's misting. It's doing this barrier mist, which will kill and control your mosquitoes. And so that's kind of our system.
Well, that is great. Well, thank you so much for joining me here. Chuck came over to the new house today. We installed it a month or so ago, doing the checkup, making sure everything's working just fine, and thankfully it is. And Chuck and Jennifer are easy to get in touch with. Tell the folks how to get in touch with you.
Well, you can call me direct. My personal cell phone number, which is my business line, Loco Mosquito hotline number, it's 713-269-4024. Estimates are free. Consulting, walking the properties free as well. And then if you don't feel comfortable calling me, it's okay. You can email me.
And I'll put the website up.
Yeah, and my email is easy. It's chuck@locomosquito.net. And I'm attached at the hip with technology, so if you have questions, concerns, anything, feel free to reach out to us, and we'd love to answer your questions for you.
Awesome. Thank you again for joining me. You guys have a great week, and if you're thinking about it or considering a mosquito system, that barrier around your house, your yard, your pool area, give Chuck and Jennifer at Loco Mosquito a call today.
Absolutely. And it's patio season. Everybody wants to go on their patio right now. So enjoy your patio because we can make it more enjoyable for you.
All right.